Hey there, goal getters! Are you ready to take control of your goals and track your progress effortlessly? Whether you're a new buyer for my Etsy shop or just exploring better ways to stay productive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to use my goal tracker in Google Sheets. It's simple, powerful, and designed to keep you motivated. Let's get started. First things first, after purchasing the template for my Etsy shop, open the PDF instructions that come with it. Inside, you'll find a special link. Click it and it will take you straight to the template page. Now, click the Make a Copy button to save your personal copy to your Google Drive. Easy, right? You might notice some areas are protected, and that's intentional. This ensures that important formulas and structures stay intact. But don't worry, you have full control over the editable sections, so you can focus on tracking your goals without any technical hiccups. Rename the file to something personal and meaningful to make it easy to locate later. Now comes the fun part. Let's input your goal. Type your goal in the designated section, and right below it, you'll see a category field. Double-click to open the drop-down menu. This pulls data from the settings sheet, where you can modify existing categories or even add new ones. Let's add a new category called Adventure. Now, back in the main sheet, our updated list includes Adventure. Just like that. Want a cleaner workspace? You can hide certain sections for a more focused view. To hide the category section, go to Row Tools in the menu bar and select Toggle Category Visibility. The first time you do this, Google will ask for authorization. Simply follow the prompts. Sign in, click Advanced, then go to App Settings, and finally, Allow. Once done, the category section is hidden. Hide the main title for a more minimal look by selecting Toggle Title Visibility. To keep your goals on track, let's set a start and target date. Simply click the start date. Select your preferred date, and do the same for the target date. Now, the tracker has a timeline to guide your progress. Now that your goal is set up, let's break it down into smaller, actionable steps. Scroll down to the Goal Actions section and start listing your steps. Let me quickly add 3 goal actions. As you complete each step, simply check the boxes and watch the progress chart and the achieved counter update instantly. If you miss your target date, the tracker will automatically update the status to Goal Overdue. A gentle nudge to take action. By default, the tracker allows up to 15 goal actions, but if you need more, just click Row Tools' Add Goal Actions. And it will insert 5 additional rows. Need to remove actions? Select the rows. Right-click and choose Delete Rows. Simple and flexible. Motivation is key. That's why you can add a reward for your goal in this section. Whether it's a nice dinner or a weekend getaway, having a reward keeps you driven. You can also use the Notes section to add details, affirmations, or reminders about your goal. Want to customize your tracker? Click the top left square to select all cells, then choose your favorite font. This adds a personal touch to your goal tracker. Need multiple goal sheets? Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom, click Duplicate, and rename it. This way, you can have separate sheets for monthly and yearly goals. By default, the duplicated sheet is not protected. If you want to apply the same protection rules, we need to update our script. Here's how. Go to Extensions in the menu bar and select App Script. This will open the code editor. Click on sheetprotection.js. Change the value of this target sheet name to the name of the sheet you need to protect. Click Run to apply the protection. As you can see, the duplicated sheet is now protected. Feeling stuck on goal ideas? In the PDF instructions, you'll find a special ChatGPT prompt. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Adjust it to your needs and let AI generate goal ideas for you. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand. And that's how you can maximize the power of your goal tracker. Ready to take action? Grab your template from my Etsy shop, link in the description, and let me know in the comments how it's helping you stay on track. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity hacks. See you next time.